Hi, I'm Dr. Seema Kumar, Professor of Pediatrics at the Division of Pediatric Endocrinology in Mayo Clinic, Rochester, Minnesota. Please join me to the 15th Emirates Diabetes and Endocrine Conference to be held in Dubai from February 8th to February 10th. In a pediatric session on February 8th, I will be presenting two talks, one on holistic approach to type 2 diabetes in adolescents. In this particular talk, we will discuss management of hyperglycemia, but also management of other comorbid conditions such as dyslipidemia and hypertension, commonly seen in adolescents with type 2 diabetes. The second talk will be on management of obesity and metabolic syndrome in youth. In this particular talk, we will discuss safety and efficacy of lifestyle modifications, medications, and metabolic and bariatric surgery. Whether you are a primary care provider or a specialist, you will find these sessions very helpful. I look forward to seeing you then.